Hi everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the April 2025 Hero Studio release. In this video, I will cover all 6 subscription options: the card kit of the month, the die set of the month, the Stampin' Cut of the month, the cling of the month, the layering stencils of the month, and the whole studio, all 5 subscriptions in one. Let's jump right into the April release by starting with our card kit of the month. This month's kit includes the Terrarium Clear Stamp Set, 16 Terrarium Coordinating Dies, 20 Terrarium Fancy Dies, clear enamel dots, 3 clear card panels, and 9 sheets of colored cardstock. First up, we have the Terrarium Stamp Set. This is a 6x8 clear stamp set filled with beautiful detailed images perfect for building a lush terrarium scene. There's also 16 coordinating dies that die cut out all of the images as well as all the sentiments included in this clear set. Included in the set is this large stamp that creates the base for your terrarium, and then there's a bunch of additional images that you can use to add to your scene. The set also has 6 wonderful sentiments that really pair beautifully with all the images in this set. Also included in the April card kit is this amazing die set. This is the Terrarium Fancy Die Set. There are 20 dies in this large die set. Use the terrarium dies to build a base for your stamped images from the stamp set, and also use the additional dies in this set to actually build a terrarium scene completely out of die cuts. There's basically images for everything you need here: soil, grass, a bunch of leaves, moss, there's even mushrooms and flowers, a tree stump, rocks, and last but certainly not least, a beautiful butterfly to kind of complete your little scene. There's also a paper pack included in this card kit. You get 9 half sheets, so 5.5 by 8.5. A beautiful colored cardstock's great to use with those fancy dies. There's also 3 A2 panels of acetate, great for creating shaker cards with the terrarium set. And then last but not least, you have this set of clear enamel dots, perfect for those water dots or dewdrops on your leaves. Now that we've finished looking at everything that's included in the April card kit, let's move on to our other subscription options, our monthly minis, starting off with our April die set of the month. The Rainforest Leaves die set comes with 5 beautiful detailed leaf dies, as well as a 2-piece word die. These leaves look wonderful when die cut out of colored cardstock. The dies also create these lovely detail cuts that can then be popped up for added dimension and texture. The included word dies make a wonderful sentiment for your card, and the added shadow layer really makes sure that that sentiment pops always away from your backgrounds. Next up is our April Stampin' Cut of the month. The Color Layering Rainforest Leaves stamp set is an awesome 2-step stamp set, meaning that the leaves and the mandala have a base stamp and then a detail stamp. There's also coordinating dies that die cut out the mandala centers, as well as all the beautiful leaves included in this set. The set also has a couple of accents that are also 2-step, as well as a wonderful sentiment that I think pairs perfectly with the images. Our next monthly mini is the Cling Stamp of the month. The Raindrop Ripples stamp is a 6x6 red rubber cling stamp and is really awesome for backgrounds and scene building. Now moving on to our final monthly mini, the layering stencils of the month. This month's layering stencil set is the Jungle Background set. This is a 4-piece stencil set with each one of the stencil layers having registration marks on all 4 corners, as well as each stencil being labeled. Another thing I want to point out about this set is that this set allows you to actually ink blend the background, so you can have bold, dark backgrounds, which are always fun and a little bit unexpected. Now that we finished up looking at our 5 subscription options, let's move on to our final subscription option, the Whole Studio. The Whole Studio includes all 5 of the monthly subscriptions as well as a bonus item. To review, here's all that's included in the April Whole Studio. The entire April card kit of the month, the April die set of the month, Rainforest Leaves, the April Stampin' Cut of the month, Color Changing Rainforest Leaves, the April Cling of the month, Raindrop Ripples, the April Layering Stencils of the month, Jungle Background, and this month's bonus item is the Froggy Messages Stampin' Cut. This Stampin' Cut has some wonderful sentiments and images that work beautifully with the terrarium stamps and dies included in the card kit. You can see the coordinating dies cut out all these fun little images that are great for adding to your scene, and these sentiments just work wonderfully with the overall theme of this month's release. And that completes our closer look at the April card kit of the month, the 4 monthly minis, and the April Whole Studio. Be sure to check out our blog hop today celebrating this incredible release packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration as well as pick up your April Hero Studio products at heroarts.com. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.